Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another Chappie's Vape Reviews video. I don't know what that was all about. So today, this video and the next video, I'm going to be reviewing two flavors by the same company. They were sent to me by a very good friend, an online shop. I'll post the shop address, the website, in the crotch box below, so you can go and check them out after. He sent me two bottles by Doozy Vape Co. That's those ones there. Okay. So, to start with, I'm going to be reviewing this one. Blizzard. The bottle there. Blizzard. Okay. Now this one is a grape summer berries with a chill. Grape summer berries with a chill, and as you can guess, with a chill, it's a menthol or minty flavour. So we'll give this one a bash. I have been using it for a little while, and thought it was about time that I put up a review for this one and for the next flavour as well. So, Blizzard, it's a 70-30 VG split. It only comes in 3mg strength, and you can get it in either 10ml or 30ml bottles. Okay? You can either get it from themselves on their website, or there are online stores and actual stores that sell it as well. And as always, we'll start off with, I'll have a quick smell, a quick snifter, and then I'll take a couple of vapes. We'll talk about flavour on the inhale, flavour on the exhale, and vapour production, throat hit, so on and so forth. We'll wrap it up. I'll give you my rating out of 10, and we'll probably call it a day. Okay? So, I'll have a smell first. Okay, the smell from the bottle. The smell from the bottle is, I would say the grape comes through stronger than the other two flavors. The summer berries, it is there. It's not as pronounced as the grape smell is though, and there's only a very small hint of that chill, that minty sort of mentholy element to it. So that's the smell. I'll take a couple of vapes, talk about flavour. I am using my Tesla Clapton RDA today on my Smoke HPriv 220. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I've actually grown quite fond of this. As stated in some of my videos before, I don't do menthol minty flavors, but, and that's a big but, I have found myself choosing this over some of my other juices. Shocker. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. There is something about it that I like. The flavour on the inhale. The flavour on the inhale is delicate grape, is delicate summer berries, and towards the end of that inhale, that's when that chill, that menthol minty sort of flavour comes into play. And then on the exhale, that menthol minty flavour is a consistent throughout the exhale, but the grape flavour and the summer berries flavour are more pronounced on the exhale for me. Very subtle, smooth flavour on the inhale, and then on the exhale you get that full burst of that grape and summer berries flavour. Very smooth, very delicate, very nice. I was pleasantly surprised the first time I tried it, and I haven't stopped using it since. I'm no throat hit. I'm getting no throat hit at all. Again, I put it down to being 3 milligram strength. This is what it comes in. It only comes in 3 milligram strength, and the vapor production is decent. Even coming off the small Tesla Clapton RDA. Now, I've used this juice on a couple of RDAs, 1 or 2 tanks as well, and even my Azeroth RDTA. And the flavour is consistent throughout. No matter what I've put it in, the flavour has always been the same as I'm getting just now. There's not much more I could say about it, to be fair. So, time to give it a rating out of 10. Now, I've thought about this one for the past day or two because I'm unsure as to how high I want to rate it, because it's a menthol minty flavour. But because I've grown to like it so much, and it is one of the only menthol flavours that I will actually actively vape, I think it deserves an 8.5 out of 10. I think it deserves an 8.5 out of 10, maybe even close to a 9. The flavour, the lack of throat hit, the vapor production is all brilliant, and it's a well put together juice, and it's made by a UK company, a UK based company as well. A lot of the juices I tend to choose when I'm out shopping for something new or anything like that, they seem to come from the USA. It's nice to have a decent juice from the UK. There aren't many. One being Cheap Thrills, another being Zap Juice. This one definitely up there with those two as well. So I was very happy with it. But hopefully you've found this a little informative, a little helpful. I would say definitely go out and try it. If you're a fan of the minty menthol sort of flavors, you'll love it. And if you're not, even if you're not like me, give it a bash. You might just be surprised. I'm telling you. Trust me on this one. Maybe. Okay, so I will post my Instagram name and my Twitter names in the crotch box below. I will also go and post my sponsor, Mackcoils, whose coils, Fuse Clapton's coils I'm using just now, and I generally use in all of my builds, and his website. And I will also put the site I got sent these juices from, Vapestreetuk UK. I'll put his Instagram name and I'll put his website in the crotch box below as well. Go and check them out. He's got a wicked set of juices to choose from, both UK and American juices. My hardware, the Tesla Clapton RDA and the HPriv, both came from him as well, and all for a decent price as well. What can you say? You can't moan. Alright, but thank you very much for stopping by yet again. It was nice seeing you. Does that work? I don't know. But feel free to post a comment. I will reply. I'll reply to every comment that's posted on my videos. Give the video a like and give my channel a subscribe. I have plenty more reviews coming. We're coming into January, so I should be fairly quiet at work soon and be able to make up more videos. Have the time to do those. But until then, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.